discussing the role of Indians in the evolution of rule of law. The Indian nationalist played an important role in the evolution of rule of law that we have already discussed. Then Indian legal profession, it was emerging in that time and it defended the legal rights of the Indians. And also Indian judges began to play a greater role in the making of decisions. So these three important features can show the Indian role in the evolution of rule of law. Now we are dealing with how do new law comes about. The constitution becomes the foundation of law. Constitution becomes the foundation of laws. Every law is based upon this constitution and the basic nature of the constitutions according to the constitution. So law is founded upon the constitution itself. The parliament has an important role in making of laws. We know our representatives formulate the law. The different parts of the country, there may be different groups of the society, raises the need of the particular law, especially the need of their life. So it is reflected in the parliament for in the discussions. After the discussions and the formulation of law is emerges. So the parliament has important role in making laws. Important role of the parliament is to sensitive to the problems faced by the people. For this, to identify the problems faced by the people, the particular law may be revised or amended according to the needs of the time, or the new laws may be erected. So that is the way that the parliament makes a role in the formulation of law. Unpopular and controversial laws. What is unpopular and controversial laws? Sometimes we hear about the laws enacted by or passed by the government or the parliament becomes the cause for the protest. So let us think about it. Sometimes a law can be constitutionally valid and legally acceptable, and it is according to the constitution itself the law is passed in the parliament. But it can be unpopular and unacceptable because people feel that the intention behind it is unfair and harmful. So there starts the possibility of the criticism of the particular law, and the public meetings and writings all happens with regard to the unpopular and controversial laws. So the unwillingness to accept these repressive laws framed by the parliament always brings the people of India, to the street itself. We have the recent particular examples. Can you identify such an examples of recent unpopular and controversial laws that lead the people to the street for protesting? So it was just before the COVID-19 and so on, we have come across with these issues. So can find out some of these unpopular and controversial laws. People who think that the law is not fair can approach the court to decide this issue. So those people feel that it is unfair, can approach the court, and through this court, it can modify or cancel the laws that is enacted by the parliament itself if it does not follow the constitution.